Today's multi-purpose exercise is eyebrow slide with Gua Sha. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize the eye area. For this exercise, lift your forehead slightly upwards, put your Gua Sha over your eyebrows, and start to move from the tip of your eyebrows outwards to your temples. Keep doing this gently and slowly for 30 seconds on each side. At the end, massage for a couple of seconds on your temples. This massage stimulates blood flow around the eye area, helping to reduce puffiness by promoting better oxygen and nutrient delivery. It reduces puffiness and swelling by draining excess fluid that can accumulate in the eye area. It relieves eye strain and tension. Massaging around the eye and temples relaxes the tiny muscles around the eyes, reducing strain and tension headaches. This move also boosts collagen production and improves skin elasticity, which helps the skin around the eyes appear firmer and more lifted over time. By lymphatic drainage and clearing out toxins, it brightens up the eye area. It also creates a natural lifting effect by stimulating the muscles and skin around the eyes. And lastly, the process itself is calming and can reduce overall stress. It helps with relaxation and stress relief. So this was it for today's multi-purpose exercise. See you next one. Bye!